Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can draw a pie circle in your documents on CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So let me go with that example document here. Let me remove these example shapes. There are two ways how we can do this, guys. If you'd like to start with a new ellipse, navigate to the ellipse tool here. But before you start drawing or placing it, switch to the pie shape here, and then you may, for example, add it to your drawing. However, guys, as you can see, if I rotate this one here, for instance, it will look like this. So, right. So what if you want to convert that into a full circle? That's option number 2. You may select this option here and yeah, make a pie circle into a full circle, or click again into that ellipse, pie chart here, and then yeah, convert it into a pie chart again. However, guys, there's also another option. So let's assume you have a full circle. Leave it like that and use the crop tool here to remove one part or specific parts of the circle, like that quarter here. Right, click into crop. Oh yeah, in this case I removed the rest. So in this case you would need to highlight, for example, the entire area and leave it like that, for instance, right? So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.